Disclaimer, this content for educational purposes only. This is not a medical recommendation. Ever seen earwax break like a crispy chip? That usually happens when it dries out over time. But here's what most people don't realize. Using random tools can actually push it deeper instead of helping. Some people use a small ear camera tool just to see clearly before doing anything. I left one in the description and pinned comment if you're curious. And fun fact, earwax isn't just dirt. It actually helps protect your ear. So, would you leave it, or clean it? Enjoy it.